All right, I'm in Eureka Springs, Arkansas. I have never had a chance to come here, and man, you see that car down there? It's like an old ambulance, but it's on the rails. How strange, right over there. Okay, so anyway, I'm in Eureka Springs, and this is definitely a tourist town. Excuse the noise. I am here on a very off tourist season kind of day, so much to my surprise, even though I'm here midday, early afternoon, it seems like the majority of businesses are actually closed. And my impression of this place is that it's really cute, it's scenic. There's some cool stuff to see, like this old railroad stuff here that we're gonna check out. But outside of just driving through and kind of sightseeing, very much strikes me as like a very blatant tourist ripoff kind of an area. And let me explain why. So this is a small town in the middle of nowhere, and everywhere is $5 to park. Like you want to go to a restaurant, it's $5 to park. So parking is at very much a premium here. And the other thing is, a lot of stuff is like artsy, hippie, tarot card reading, miracle healing stuff. There's like rainbows painted on everything. It kind of strikes me as odd. Like I would not have equated this little rural town with it reminds me of Colorado. That's what it reminds me of. It has the vibe of going somewhere in Colorado and everything is like mystic healing, weird art, alternative lifestyle, whatever. This train's really cool. So they have a train that operates here from time to time, but yeah, so it's obligatory that there's like a rainbow flag on everything. So, like that's what it is. That's what it is. If you're not a rainbow person, you're not welcome here. That's my takeaway. So yeah, and then everything else is like a rental cottage. So like everything is like a small, but look, like it's dead. Like there's nobody anywhere. So yeah, it's like little cabins, like crappy little cabins for rent. And that's about it. It's so cool. Wow. Very cool. Very, very cool. That building looks like it's about ready to crumble. So I'm going to try to find some of the springs here. There's a couple of springs, and I'm going to check them out. It's kind of a crappy day here, unfortunately. Very, very overcast kind of day today. There goes the trolley. Check it out. That is really coming apart. What a beautiful old building though. What a shame. What a shame that hasn't been saved, or probably not really able to be saved. So yeah, the town has a lot of character. I've driven through the downtown. A lot of character, really kind of a cute town, but I don't really get a very good vibe from it, honestly. It's very like like a cash grab kind of a thing. Like everything is a price gouging kind of situation. Everything costs money. Everything costs a lot of money, and I don't really see it being quite that desirable of a place. So I had a chance to come here. I wouldn't return. I would not return personally. I was really kind of excited about coming here because I thought it would be a pretty awesome place to visit with some history and some, you know, cool like antique stores and stuff. But all I see is like basically hippie trash, like cheap souvenirs, really hokey, crappy stuff for sale at a high price. That's all I've seen so far. So anyway, I will try to get some video of the springs that I find.